welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace VCM motor on Hyundai Elantra. So this motor, guys, okay, could cause quite a bit of trouble. Put the car in limp mode, you might not have enough power, engine light on, and you will probably have a code P200A. So stay with us and we'll show you how to remove and replace it now. So that motor, guys, is located now, okay, right here. So we'll have to remove that cover. Okay, you just pull it straight up. It might be stuck there, but this is the VCM motor right here, and it's not very complicated to replace at all. Now we'll replace it with a new one. We will have the links for the tools and parts we use listed in the description of the video below. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this Hyundai Elantra apart, so if you need anything, please subscribe, guys. Please give a thumb up, and if we don't have the video, drop a comment, we'll make one. We are still uploading quite a few videos about that car, so let's start on the problem now. Before we start disassembling the motor and removing bolts, we'll need to disconnect that wiring harness here. So you can see, this one, you squeeze the two things together, okay, and you pull it straight out. We'll need a 10mm socket, and we'll need to get 3 bolts loose now. You have to be careful not to drop the bolts. Next, we'll disconnect the breather holes there so it's not in the way. After that, we'll disconnect the wire by pushing down. So this is, guys, the old motor. We'll replace it with a new one, and there is something very important we have to do towards the end. Stay with us. So we get the new motor, VCM motor now, and we're going to go ahead and place it there. We'll have it listed in the description of the video below. So you can see this moves up and down a little bit, so this thing needs to get in here. Okay, it needs to get in this one, otherwise it's not going to work and you can break it. Okay, make sure that you align it good. Take your time. Because those little things are expensive. Okay, so we cut ours. Now we're going to install the 3 bolts. We'll get one of them tight by hand, so that way the motor will not move. Okay, installing the second bolt now. We'll go ahead and get the 3 bolts tight. For the wiring harness and connect the hose as well. So we have the ignition on, the car not running, And we're going now to reset the codes. Okay, let me show you. We have two codes. You might have different code as well. P0 of 2017 intake manifold runner position sensor. The other code is P2008, and you can have a code P200A. So I'll just go back, and now that's very important, guys. Okay, go back one more time. The scanner that we use will be listed in the description of the video. Really good scanner and not very expensive at all. We'll click erase codes. Are we sure that we want to? Press any key to continue. Now what we are going to do, we'll go ahead, read the codes and make sure that it's not there. Okay, no code. So that, guys, fixes the whole problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come to the channel.